Hello, thanks for tuning in. This is a video of a 2014 Keystone Alpine fifth wheel we have for sale here at Nelson RV, Tucson, Arizona, 4060 North Flowing Wells Road. Anyway, just doing some quick videos here to show you a little bit of our inventory where we specialize in used RVs, fully inspect them, make sure they're in top operating order. This has new tires. We use Goodyear Endurance tires. It's got the 6-point auto leveling system, 4 slide outs, dual ACs. Graphics are in excellent shape. You can see there. It's got the mirror vision, hitch vision right there. This mirror right up to help you look at your hitch when you're hooking up there. It is tapered down for shore bed trucks right here. You can see this radius cap right here. Gives you a little bit more degree radius turning. It's got a power awning. It's got frameless windows. They do open up from the bottom. Excellent storage space. This is equipped with central AC. It does have the thermal package on it. Aluminum frame. It's a 3720 FB model. This is a bath and a half model, folks. You want to see more? Here or give us a call at 520-293-1010. Visit nelsonrv.com to see more of the inventory, or if you want to reach somebody in sales, feel free to text or call Robert 520-512-8171. Thanks for watching and happy RVing.